All right, so this is going to be a small video series on how to create your own NFT collection using Gimp, MetaMask, and Rarible. The reason we're using Rarible is because it's free to upload your NFT collection, no gas fees there. Gimp is because one, it's free. Two, you can use layers. It's kind of really what we need. So let's let's download Gimp. So use Direct, but if you have BitTorrent, go for that. That's a really good program. We've already installed it, so just get it here. All right. It's not too bad. Okay, so now that we've opened up the program, we go to New. We set up our file size, which is 512 by 512 pixels. It's a safe, but still pretty good. Size for NFT art, resolution is decent, so don't worry about that. Then just click OK. So like we see here, this is the background layer. Just delete that for now. We are going to create a new layer called background, along with a few other layers. It just depends on what you want in your NFT art, the variety of different customizations. We're going to keep it simple, 3 things for each thing. So like, let's say the body has 3 different types of bodies, or 3 different colors for the body, background, 3 different background colors, stuff like that. So here, we're going to create a new layer called body. One thing I should mention is that unfortunately, unlike Gimp, unlike Inkscape, Gimp doesn't let you nest your layers. So you could potentially have had like body and then body 1, 2, 3, and turn things off and work on stuff, but this doesn't let you. So we're just gonna have body 1, body 2, body 3, but without nesting. So then ears, there, nose, eyes. Okay, and we're just gonna have these layers for now, just to keep it simple. So you've installed the program. You know what kind of size you want for your art, and then you've kind of like organized your layers, and then you'll put your art in here, add more layers, so you have a variety of different eyes, nose, ears, body, and background. And yeah, we'll make the art in the next video.